What's up, everybody? Oh my gosh. So today's video is kind of crazy, totally fishing, but after work I had less than an hour to fish. I started out about an hour. By the time I got on the water, everything, I probably had about 45 minutes. So pretty interesting how it turned out for the short amount of time that I had to fish. Hope you guys enjoy. Definitely a lot more content coming this week into this weekend. So I'll see you guys on Saturday.
Oh boy. All right, it's Tuesday evening, about 6:15. I've got an hour left of daylight and no time to waste. Hopefully get it in the water and get going. Hopefully have at least 30 minutes to fish, I'm hoping for. So let's see. $6.20. All right, roughly about 1 hour. Made a choice today. Watermelon red and black Strike King rage-tail craw, or rage craw, on a jig head. Beautiful, calm. Gotta get the bait switched out. Beautiful. All right, we gotta get going. Oh, come on. Man, I don't know what that was. There we go. There we go. That's a good one. Oh, I threw it. No. Oh my goodness. Seriously? There we go. Oh, I missed him, I think. I don't know. I can't tell. I think he got me hung up. Son of a gun. They're right in the edge of this grass, which is what I'm doing. There we go. Little guy, but we'll take him. Prevents the goose egg. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Okay, not bad. Okay. That's a fish. There we go. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, man. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, my God, look at that. Ooh-wee. Okay. Look at that. Oh, my goodness. What? 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 That's a good 3 1/4 right there. Beautiful fish. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. Oh my goodness. 3 1/4 for sure. Maybe closer to 4. Look at that belly. Ooh-wee. Swamp donkey. Thank you. Beautiful. There's a fish. Oh, that's a good one. No, he threw it.
Back from the dead.